Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Crunchyroll on PC. Crunchyroll is one of the world's most popular anime streaming services, offers thousands of anime services, movies, and Asian dramas. So if you want to download Crunchyroll, firstly what you need to do is you need to open your Microsoft Store. And once you open your Microsoft Store, in the top there's this search. Simply type down Crunchyroll and select enter. So over here, what you need to do is you need to select this Crunchyroll in the top. After that, select this get and it will start downloading the app. And you need to wait for the installation to finish. And once installed, you can click open or launch the app from the start menu. And you can browse the anime library and start streaming your favorite shows. And that is it. That is how you can download Crunchyroll on PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.